Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm gonna show you how to turn on the dark mode on the Windows 11. All you need to do is right click on your desktop and then choose the personalize. And after that, right here at the right corner, you can choose the mode. Here's the dark mode. Just one click and you inside of it. It's like turning everything, even the folders, even the taskbar, into nice dark mode. Even the start button working like that. You can always turn it back anytime you want. Nice and easy. Okay, I guess that's it. I hope it was useful and have a good day.